Yo, October 2022. Something hit Earth, invisible, 2 billion light years away. It found us. They called it the boat, brightest of all time, 70 times stronger, ever. 2 billion light years away, and after all that silence, it aimed directly at us. It found us. To understand the boat, zoom out. Big Bang, just gas and darkness, nothing else. Gravity pulls everything together. Gas clumps, pressure builds, temperature skyrockets. The universe starts cooking itself. Gravity wins, always. Millions, then billions of degrees Kelvin. One giant pressure cooker running for 13 billion years. It is not stopping anytime soon. Scientists simulated all of this, just to run it 19 million CPU hours, bro. 2,000 years straight. Zoom into the hottest points and you find quasars, supermassive black holes, feeding, screaming. One quasar outshines our entire galaxy by 1,000 times. 1,000 times. Unbelievable. When black holes fire up, they don't just glow. They scream pure plasma jets. Black holes heat gas, cool down, fire back up. AGN feedback, the universe's own thermostat. Wild. 13 billion years of this cycle running quietly. Then October 2022 happens. Every change changed everything. October 9th, 2022. Every gamma-ray telescope on Earth fires alerts at the exact same moment. Completely off every chart ever made. 70 times more powerful than anything ever recorded. Every detector saturated immediately. 70. Massive star collapses, triggers a supernova, fires 2 focused energy jets from the poles. Scientists found the supernova behind the boat. The problem? Completely ordinary, embarrassingly normal. Ordinary death, extraordinary explosion. How? Pure geometry. Jets aimed almost perfectly directly at Earth. That's the whole story. We weren't just nearby. We were in the crosshairs, aimed directly at us, at Earth. The brightness? Simple part. The boat cracked open 2 enormous scientific questions nobody has answered. 2 real mysteries. Question 1. Dark matter. Some photons may have converted into axions during the journey, actually transformed into something else. Axions, dark matter candidates never directly detected. Not one. Invisible to everything we've built. Photons converting to axions and back, that would be first ever dark matter evidence. Gold, platinum, uranium, none made in normal stars. Everything heavier needs something extreme. Gold forged through rapid neutron capture, our process, the universe literally hammering gold into existence. The boat should have been a gold factory. Scientists aimed everything at it. Found nothing. Either our models are wrong, or the boat is something never seen. Both wild. Scientists are working on it now. Cold, empty, silent, the universe most of the time. Vast stretches of absolute nothing. Where gravity wins, universe becomes a furnace, a laser, a forge. All 3, in the same place. Still out here, bro. Still pointing telescopes at the sky. Still asking. We don't stop. Neither does the universe.